icon here as well to let you know. And then what we do to open that is we're just going to go ahead and open a new document in Webi. We don't have to choose a data source. You still can to get the shared element, but we don't need one for now. So to find the shared elements, there's actually the tab here on the left. And then what you're going to do is you're going to just hit Browse, and then into whatever folder you've saved that in. And we'll open up test one. You just actually drag it in, sorry. So yeah, just a drag and drop. And then here is our table that we've created in here. So yeah, it looks like it's 79 pages. So it looks like it's bringing back all the data. It looks like it's just filtering. It's going in order based on city. So that's why Austin's showing up first. But it is bringing in all of our data. And then again, if we had a variable, let's say created on margin, that's a pretty typical object to have a variable on. So obviously margin, this was built into our universe where margin was actually already created. So I didn't need a variable for that one. But if you had a variable created on margin, this wouldn't show up, this table or this row here. So other than that, really useful tool. Again, it isn't like this won't work. You just have to recreate the variable if you wanted the table to get brought in all of the columns working. So that's all I had on input controls and shared elements. But if you guys have any questions, I can definitely go over anything that you wanted to review in specific.
How many people here are using shared elements or try to use shared elements in Webi? And
Yeah, that works. No, it's great.
it works.
I didn't have any
Well, could you,
variables.
just out of interest, I mean, what was the context for using them?
We were tracking collections from fire, ambulance
Yep.
collections, and they wanted some of the same graphs in multiple reports. So use that instead of doing it 5 times.
Excellent use case. Yes, we started to experiment ourselves with this as well. This whole idea of saying, let's recreate reusable components that can be quickly dragged and dropped into other reports, and then you could literally create yourself this little library of reusable components, right? And allow the group of users to quickly put together their own reports without having to go.
It's like a stored object, you know. Yeah.
Right. Absolutely. And so we're big fans of this, but I think people are just a little hesitant, you know, to experiment with it. And don't get me wrong, because Peyton pointed out, you know, there are things like, yeah, it doesn't support variables, and then you've got a variable in the component, things like that. But there's a little few, you know, glitches here and there. But you know, I think people are missing out by not making more use of this, because I imagine this world where you could create a whole new subset of self-service users who would never have to create a Webi report, but instead could actually create a whole bunch of reports by just dragging and dropping components and hooking them up to another data source.
There's a downside to that, though. If you bring in multiple shared elements in one report, you multiply the number of queries as well, because the shared elements come with their queries.
Fair point. Fair point.
So the maintenance of that is done from the originator. So is that the case? So he's using a shared element here. The person using this isn't saving over that shared element. It has to be written and resaved over itself, right? Like, I mean,
there is a link to it, and so you can either maintain the link or remove the link if you want to do further formatting on that report.
Is there a risk of overwriting it here, though?
No, it wouldn't.
Right. So just like in the example What about you, JD? So you were,
We use them for like footers, like if we have the same block of text over and over, instead of having to just retype it or add it in again, it's just already there.
It's
And
great
then
news.
all these reports, you can
Yeah.
just drop it in, so
good
it's
use.
really useful, yeah.
Good, simple, but, saves time.
I question though about the variables because I brought them in before and, that polynomial chart,
Yeah.
one that I brought in for that last, Speak BO, it brought back like 10 variables with it.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
I was surprised to
Yeah.
hear that. I
Yeah.
saw variables come through as
So-
well.
So we went over.
Is that something that could be a
Service pack,
service pack, or could be, what did you try?
we did it at IBIS and I did it
So that's
2 weeks
SD7.
ago, yeah, yeah.
So that's SD7. You were trying it on the same.
This one, yeah. So the time that we came into the issue, I think actually we were reviewing with Roxanne, but it was Tyler and I that had created. We were trying to do a shared element, and it was giving us it was coming back with a bunch of pound signs for a couple of the rows of data. So margin was one of them that I can think of off the top of my head, and all I had to do was create a variable in the new report. So it was really weird. Because I expected it to be different too. Like that's not a very.
I don't know how it would behave with merge dimensions if you were using,
Yeah, that I didn't
then it
try.
might
But
bring in 2 queries. I'm not sure how it would behave for that, but,
yeah, I don't see how it would merge automatically. I mean,
Yeah.
it could potentially. I didn't try.
yeah, I haven't tried
Oh,
that.
there's something.
So
The
that
merge
could
as well.
be- it
Okay.
could be the
Maybe
merge.
that was what I was thinking of. I thought I tried it though, and it was giving us issues. I don't know why, but I do remember it on margin when we were going through it at first, and we actually took it out of our document because we couldn't get it to work right.
And to her case, for using it as a footer, they would all be variables in
Yeah.
that, so,
Yeah, so
yeah.
And it
that's
works.
the thing. It
Yeah.
works, yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. All right, something definitely to look at.
Yeah.
What about input controls? What do you think we use? I mean, that's very popular. Yeah. We'll make a lot of use of that, haven't we, for a while. Good. Excellent. No other questions? Thank you very much, Pete.
All right. Thank you.